Ever wondered how vast and diverse our solar system really is? Just imagine, we're part of a celestial neighborhood that's teeming with a variety of bodies, all dancing around a single central star, our sun. This fiery beacon governs a cosmic ballet, orchestrating the movements of not just the 8 planets we're familiar with, but also their numerous moons. Yet the sun's influence doesn't stop there. It extends far beyond the last planet, reaching out to the asteroids whirling in the asteroid belt, the icy bodies in the Kuiper belt, and the elusive comets streaking across our skies, leaving trails of dust and gas in their wake. Even the smallest meteoroids, hurtling through space, are part of this grand celestial symphony. So buckle up, space explorers. We're about to embark on a journey across the vast expanses of our solar system. As we delve deeper, prepare to be amazed by the unique characteristics of each planet. Ever imagined what it's like on other planets? Let's start closest to the sun. First up is the smallest planet in our solar system, Mercury. It's only about 1/3 the size of Earth. Despite its small size, Mercury is a world of extremes. Its surface is pockmarked with craters resembling our moon, and it experiences the most drastic temperature changes of all the planets, swinging from blazing hot days to freezing cold nights. Mercury has no moons, and its thin, almost non-existent atmosphere means it has no weather like we know it. Next, we move on to Venus, the second planet from the Sun. It's similar in size and composition to Earth, earning it the nickname Earth's twin. However, don't let this similarity fool you. Venus has a thick, toxic atmosphere filled with carbon dioxide, and surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. It's the hottest planet in our solar system. Interestingly, Venus spins in the opposite direction to most other planets and has no moons. Now let's not forget our home, Earth, the third rock from the Sun. It's the only planet known to support life, thanks to its perfect distance from the Sun, allowing water to exist in all 3 forms: solid, liquid, and gas. Earth has 1 moon, our lovely Luna, and a protective atmosphere that shields us from solar radiation. Finally, we arrive at Mars, the 4th planet from the Sun. Often referred to as the red planet due to its rusty color, Mars is about half the size of Earth. It has the tallest volcano and the deepest, longest canyon in the solar system. Mars is home to 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos, and its thin atmosphere means it has a much colder climate than Earth. These neighbors of ours in the solar neighborhood have their own intriguing stories. Ready for a journey to the outer realms of our solar system? Let's begin with Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. This behemoth is more than 11 times the diameter of Earth. Its composition is primarily hydrogen and helium, similar to the Sun. Jupiter is famous for its Great Red Spot, a massive storm that has been raging for at least 300 years. But it's not all about size and storms. Jupiter also has a staggering number of moons, with the current count standing at 79. The 4 largest are known as the Galilean moons, named after their discoverer, Galileo Galilei. Next, we travel to Saturn, the ringed beauty of our solar system. Saturn is renowned for its spectacular rings, made of countless pieces of ice, dust, and rock. But there's more to Saturn than just its rings. It's the 2nd largest planet and has a composition similar to Jupiter's. Saturn also boasts an impressive number of moons, with the most famous being Titan, which is larger than the planet Mercury. Moving further out, we find Uranus. This icy giant is unique in many ways. For starters, it's tilted on its side, with an axial tilt of about 98 degrees. That means its seasons are extreme, with each pole getting around 21 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 21 years of darkness. Uranus is predominantly composed of ices such as water, ammonia, and methane, and is enveloped in an atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. It has 27 known moons, each named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Last but certainly not least, we reach Neptune. This blue giant is the furthest planet from the Sun. Neptune is known for its striking deep blue color, caused by the absorption of red light by methane in the atmosphere. Like Uranus, Neptune is an ice giant, with a similar composition. It has 14 known moons, the most famous being Triton, which is gradually spiraling inward and will one day shatter into a spectacular ring system much like Saturn's. Each of these outer planets is a world unto itself, with unique characteristics and mysteries waiting to be discovered. They're a testament to the incredible diversity of our solar system, from Jupiter's raging storms to Saturn's icy rings, Uranus's extreme tilt to Neptune's deep blue hue. These distant giants hold mysteries we are only beginning to unravel. Scene script. Beyond the 8 main planets, our solar system still has plenty to explore. When we venture further from the Sun, we encounter a fascinating variety of bodies known as dwarf planets. These are celestial bodies that orbit the Sun, much like the planets we're familiar with, but they're not quite the same. To be classified as a planet, a celestial body must clear its orbit of other debris. Dwarf planets, however, don't quite meet this criterion. They are, in essence, the underdogs of our solar system. Among these dwarf planets, perhaps the most famous is Pluto. Once considered the 9th planet of our solar system, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Despite its demotion, Pluto remains an intriguing subject for astronomers. Its icy surface and unique orbit continue to provide valuable insights into the outer reaches of our solar system. But our solar system is not just about planets and dwarf planets. It's also home to a vast number of smaller bodies like asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. These celestial bodies might be small, but they are far from insignificant. Asteroids, for instance, are rocky fragments left over from the early solar system. Most are found in the asteroid belt, a region located between Mars and Jupiter. Comets, on the other hand, are icy bodies that come from the distant regions of the solar system. When they get close to the Sun, they heat up and spew out gas and dust, creating a beautiful tail that we can sometimes see from Earth. Meteoroids are much smaller, often the size of a grain of sand. When a meteoroid enters the Earth's atmosphere and burns up, it creates a beautiful streak of light known as a meteor, or a shooting star. These celestial bodies, no matter how big or small, play a vital role in our understanding of the solar system. They provide clues about the formation and evolution of our cosmic neighborhood. Even the smallest bodies in our solar system can make a big impact. So, we've journeyed from the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy realms of Pluto and beyond. But what have we learned? We've learned that our solar system is a place of extraordinary contrasts and breathtaking beauty. Starting from Mercury, the smallest planet and the one closest to the Sun, we discovered that it's a world of extremes, with temperatures that can swing from blistering hot to freezing cold in a single day-night cycle. Next, we visited Venus, Earth's evil twin, where the surface is hot enough to melt lead and the sky rains sulfuric acid. Despite its hostile environment, Venus taught us valuable lessons about the dangers of runaway greenhouse effects. Then there's our home, Earth, the only place in the solar system known to harbor life. It's a testament to the delicate balance of conditions needed for life, as we know it to thrive. Our next-door neighbor, Mars, the red planet, has long captured our imagination with its potential for past or present life. Its towering volcanoes and deep canyons are a testament to the dynamic geological processes that once shaped it. Our journey then took us to the gas giants. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, with its great red spot, a storm larger than Earth itself. Saturn, with its iconic rings made of ice and rock. Uranus, with its unusual tilt, and Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, shrouded in deep blue methane clouds. Finally, we ventured to the outskirts of the solar system, where we encountered the dwarf planets, including Pluto, and the countless small bodies of the Kuiper Belt. These distant worlds, often composed of rock and ice, are remnants from the early solar system, holding clues to our cosmic past. Throughout this journey, we've seen the vastness and diversity of our solar system. Each planet, each celestial body, has its own unique story to tell, adding to the rich tapestry of our cosmic neighborhood. Our solar system is a marvel of cosmic diversity and beauty, a testament to the grandeur of the universe we inhabit.